Okay, March 22nd, 2026, Under the Wings 81 here, and I made, as if I'm back in kindergarten again. I made such a mishmash. How's that for wordage? Haven't used that in a long time. That I'm going over it now with some white gouache, which is like a thick form of watercolor. I just did these two areas here. Kind of see if I can tone it down a bit around some of these eye images here. Tone it down, in other words, make it more less Jackson Pollock abstract expressionist like. Yes, indeed. Oh boy. Again, I'm working just a stream of consciousness, and a fancier wordage, extemporaneously. And the late English art historian Sir Herbert Reed would have liked this. He died in 1968, wow, the year I graduated high school. But I didn't learn about him till I was an undergrad at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. Well, if you're going to be a allegorical sea monster, of course why not look like mayhem, especially since you're inspired by the mad President of the United States. Okay, enough said. Hey, can we get some feedback over here, guys? Gal, guy? Girl bird, guy bird. Well, it doesn't tone it down a little bit. In terms of visual mayhem. I can't even read what I wrote. Oh, it had said blah. Now it's just going to say ah. A-H. Ooh, 4 minutes, that's probably enough. Video time. All right, we'll call it a day, or call it a moment. Un momento, por favor.